on my lap. He's popping over.
Oh my gosh. Woody, oh my goodness, look at him.
Sure, of course, yeah.
Hello, boy.
Say hi, this is Vicky.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, he was so excited to come see you guys this
gosh.
morning. He couldn't wait. He was trying to jump out of the playpen and everything. So excited. Well, you guys have an awesome Christmas.
Yes.
Keep me updated.
Thank you,
okay?
we will. Thank you.
Guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, little guy.
Hey.
Oh my goodness.
Huh? This is some stuff.
It's like the same size as Pickles. Hello.
Chubby guy.
Hey,
I didn't know he was getting out so chubby.
My name is Ocho.
Aw, he just tried to lick me.
Hi, puppy. Scared.
Oh, he is so cute. Oh my gosh.
Scared.
No.
Yeah, he is.
A little bit scared, Ben. Well, that'd be nice.
Which way am I going, babe? Here.
What are you doing?
This is Ocho.
Oh, wait. My camera.
Oh. A little sad.
What?
He's a little scared. Is what
Oh,
it is.
my camera.
Yes.
Well, he's going with new people that he's never seen before.
Oh my goodness sake.
He loves me already.
Yes.
First time I ever got to see him.
So cute.
Welcome to the family, Ocho.
Aww.
I got a picture of him.
You want to go somewhere? Or you just...
Got a picture on your camera?
I'm gonna take another.
Been snapping lots?